everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. On this episode, we're making barbecue burgers.
Yay!
Start by heating up our oven to 450 degrees. Now let's find our pans. This one? No. This one? No. These? Nuh-uh. I have a better idea. Let's grill these puppies outside. Remove the cover from your grill, which is easier said than done. Open your grill and turn your propane all the way on. Turn one of the switches on to ignite the gas. Listen to make sure you can hear the gas running.
You must do this with an adult.
Light your flame. Now turn on all of the knobs. Close the lid and prep while your grill heats up. Peel the skin off of your onions and cut the ends off so they sit flat on the cutting board. Make sure to curl your fingers so you don't cut them. I always wait to peel the last layer of skin. Chop up your onion carefully though.
The juice squirted up in my face.
Put a little olive oil in your pan and scrape your onions into the pan.
I'm gonna light this up and let it sweat. Salt drains the water from the onion.
Sprinkle the salt all around. Spread your tater tots evenly on the pan. They'll cook better if they don't touch. Wowzy yowza, that's hot! Woo-wee! Set your timer for 25 minutes and give your onions a stir. While the onions finish up, chop up your mushrooms.
If you see dirt, just wipe it off.
Yum, mushrooms. A chef always has to taste his ingredients.
I don't have to chop these because they're already chopped.
I like to use two kinds, button and portobello. Now it's time to make the burgers. I put my ground beef into the bowl and scoop my sauteed onions on top. Using the same pan that I sauteed the onions in, I'm going to cook my mushrooms. While my mushrooms saute, I'll put a little salt on my burger and mix in the barbecue sauce. Squishy, squishy goodness.
I'm making patties right now for the hamburgers.
Don't worry if your hands get all messy. You can always wipe them on your brother's shirt.
I think I better go wash my hands.
Now that your patties are formed, sprinkle mesquite seasoning on top and bottom of the patties.
Now we put the patties on the grill and we're gonna leave them there for about 6 minutes and then we're gonna flip them. That's gonna be 12 minutes in all.
While the patties are cooking, you can make your side salad. Mine is spinach and radishes and mushrooms.
I pre-cut the radishes. Oh, the tater tots are ready.
Hot pepper in the morning, that's a hot oven.
They look golden and crisp and good. Oh, gotta go flip the burger.
You might need a parent's help because our arms aren't that long yet. Open the grill and carefully flip each burger to the other side.
5 more minutes.
Finish up inside.
I'm putting mushrooms on mine and my mom's because Henry and my dad don't like raw mushrooms.
Get your buns out of the pantry.
Did I do that?
Buns.
Oh, that's the buzzer.
When the buzzer goes off, it's time to toast your buns. Not again. Put the cheese on top of the burgers. Close the lid and wait about 2 minutes, just long enough to melt the cheese and crisp the buns. I'll plate the tater tots while I wait. There's the buzzer. And they look good.
Now I can't open this? What's worse?
Really?
Nope, that hand's slippery. Wait, it's still not working.
Really?
Pickles won't bite.
Why? Just why?
Ow! Ow! Why?
Finally! Success! I love pickles, but jars don't love me. Top your buns with the sauteed mushroom. And there you have it. Spinach salad with radishes and mushrooms, tater tots, a pickle and barbecue burger topped with cheese and mushrooms. Experts agree. It's delicious. Keep cooking and stay safe,
The finished
everyone.
product is a Don't film me crying. Thanks for cooking with Ken.
Cooking with Ken?
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button. And click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.
Whoopsie.